first question is provide a comparative analysis of behavioral and institutional approach to the study of political theory. So first of all, behavioral and institutional approach. So it should be institutional and behavioral for study of political theory, because till 1945 the approach followed in political science was traditional approach, which was normative till 1945, Second World War. From Second World War onwards, although its beginning was by C. Mariam in 2020's Chicago School, that is quantitative analysis based on statistics, policy science. But formally, 1945 to 1969, there was behavioral approach, which focus on micro level precision, while here macro level generalization. Here in traditional approach, institutional, philosophical, historical, and legal methods were being used to study politics. Center was state and formal institutions. But in behavioral approach, defocusing study and focusing on authoritative centers of decision making. As David Easton claimed that politics is authoritative allocation of values. So here, defocusing state and focusing on political system belonging to the larger social system, and with that cultural subsystem, economic subsystem. So focus is on political system, focus is on authoritative centers of decision making, defocusing state, focus towards informal processes of politics rather than state and its formal institutions. So here there'll be focus on powers and functions of parliament overall. But here, focus on the behavior of the political actor or parliamentarians. So this is micro level. This is empirical. This is factual. David Easton talks about verification, pure science, techniques, regularities, interdisciplinary approach, quantification, systematization, political economy, political sociology, political culture, more interdisciplinary, more scientific, value-free. So here there was too much political theories and philosophy. Here full stop on political theory and philosophy. Here completely factual, completely empirical, no values, no subjectivity, no political philosophy, full stop to political theories in behavioral approach. And this was inspired from psychology, sociology, and physical science, like cybernetic model inspired from computer science, like a structural functional model, comparative analysis, comparative politics. Structural functional model of Elman and Powell is being used, that every political system is mixed in cultural sense. Every political system has political structures. Every political structure is multifunctional. Every political system performs more or like a same function. So we compare through this behavioral approach, compare first world, second world, third world, nature of a state in first world, second world, third world, nature of a state, government, laws, society, level of economy, level of society, political parties, pressure groups. For example, in first world, there is more institutionalized pressure groups, associational pressure groups, while in third world countries, non-associational pressure groups based on caste, religion, identity, politics. First world political system more stable, more resources, less aspirations, less demands, more stable. While third world countries political system is unstable because more demands, pressure of demands, and less support. So ultimately this model was given to stabilize political system, whether it's cybernetic model of David Easton, whether it's structural functional model of Elman and Powell, which is used in comparative politics, whether it's political economy for third world countries, or whether it's decision making model of Lasswell, or whether it's communication model of Karls Deutsch. Ultimately purpose is comparison of different political system. Elman and Powell accepted that different political systems are at different stages of development. So naturally, in second world, you will see communist party system, single party system, communist elites, no room for any civil society, democracy, civil liberties, only focus on community rights, public sectors. So always we compare party system of second world, like Lenin's democratic centralism for communist party, and liberal for first world countries, Duverger, rule of direct election promoting two-party system, and likes like Pareto, like the parties which play a very important role, the nature of parties in first world, second world, and third world. So naturally, in behavioral institutional approach, here focus is more on institutions. Here focus is on processes. Process involves interaction. This is normative, this is empirical. This is traditional, this is contemporary. And behavioral approach for political theory focus only on political science, value-free study. Behavioral approach says that it is better to be precisely wrong than vague. And behavioral approach rejects subjectivity. It favors policy science. It favors data-based statistical model, completely scientific things to understand. So in this way, we have to study.